2017 Kia Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, iPod adapter, power windows, fog lights, rear window defroster, trip computer, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, tachometer, overhead console, cloth seat trim, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.